Hi. What happens if you take magnets and simply just toss them into the air? What kind of reaction would that have? Now, it may seem that nothing would happen, but I think you'll be surprised at the result when I show you what happens with these magnets. The first two magnets I've got are glass-coated UFO cigar-shaped magnets, and they're pretty powerful. You can put one on top of your hand, one on the bottom of your hand, and they hold with magnetic power. The other magnets I've got are regular, just plain old ceramic magnets that you can buy in any store. So let's toss these up in the air first. I'm going to put one on one side of my thumb and the other on the other side of my thumb. And let's toss these up and see what happens. Okay, not much. They make an 8. Let's try it again just to make sure that all right, here we go. Nope, not much of anything. But if you take the glass-coated cigar-shaped magnets and do the same thing, one on one side of my thumb, the other on the other side of my thumb, toss them into the air. Let's try it again. And one more time. If I can get them separate. The magnetic power of these odd-shaped magnets covered in a glass coating vibrate against each other when tossed into the air, creating that vibrating sound that you hear. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.